Do you ever wonder why some people seem to have an endless supply of energy? Why they can eat more and not gain an ounce? Well, what if I told you that you can be one of those people? Today, we are diving into how to boost your metabolism in 3 easy steps. Be prepared to revamp your life with these powerful insights. Step number 1, turn up the heat with thermogenic foods. Have you ever felt a slight heat after eating a spicy meal? That's your metabolism speeding up. Include foods like chili peppers, ginger, and green tea in your diet. These foods contain natural compounds that increase your body's heat production and calorie burn. Imagine enjoying your favorite spicy dish and knowing you're actually boosting your metabolism. Step number 2, intensify your workouts. Think about this. Not all exercises are created equal. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has been shown to not only torch calories during exercise, but also keeps your metabolism humming long after. Why spend hours on a treadmill when you can achieve better results in just 15 minutes? Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Before jumping into step number 3, let's do a quick check-in. Are you finding this information exciting? Maybe even thinking about that chili you're going to have for dinner. Hold on to that thought because we're about to make things even more interesting. Step number 3, don't skimp on sleep. Does it sound strange that sleeping more could help increase your metabolic rate? Here's the secret. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormonal balance, which affects your metabolism negatively. By giving yourself 7 to 9 hours of sleep, you're actually enabling your body to regulate these hormones effectively, ensuring that your metabolism runs at its optimum. Now, using these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your metabolism. But the journey doesn't end here. Imagine how incorporating these steps can change the way you look and feel about your body and energy levels. As this video comes to an end, don't let your quest for improving yourself stop here. Click on the end screen to discover 5 signs you're more charismatic than you think. And remember, if you've enjoyed this journey into boosting your metabolism and want a daily dose of inspiration and tips, subscribe and hit that comment section. Let us know which of these steps you're most excited to try out, and join our lively community for more life-transforming content.